How is everyone? I hope you guys are doing. That's amazing. Welcome to episode 5 of November Masterclass, where I'm going to share with you guys what happened last week in the market. All right, let's take a look at gold. And gold, uh, finally hit one of the major levels in 2001 to 1976. Like, it's a very strong major level. Like, I will even say this is the most significant current major level in the market. And then the market tested the level, break above, come back for retracement. So as you can see, the shadow even break below. If you can look at H1, let's take a look at it. I think it's going to be a body. Yeah, you can see a body. You can see a body of the candlestick break below. So it's trying to show you that the market will go for sell, but you can see when the market retraces, it do not come back. It's create another buy around here. So all the way to the upside, we started pushing up. All right. So the reason why we did not trade is because we break this major level. So if we come back here, we have to break and retest before we buy. So now you can see the market is coming back to retest the major level before continue pushing to the upside. So this is the second touch of H4, if you can see. All right. In H4, when the market breaks, so it's trying to come back to retest this level, then push all the way to the upside. So anyway, we can wait and see what's the market going to do next. I will update you guys in the Telegram channel. All right. So next pair, GBP JPY. GBP JPY is still in the consolidation zone around our major level. The market is in overall downtrend, and then finally the market break below this major level. So go back for retracement to retest the major level to give you more confirmation, and then come back. So now once the market come back and then break this breakout, which is the first breakout, if this candlestick come and break this, so is your time for sell. So your entry will be below of this zone. You understand? So all the way to the downside, you're gonna make some money. So simple and straightforward. You don't need to stress yourself. All right. Euro USD is what I will look next. All right. Euro USD. I think this is all what I'm going to do, because when the market go back for retracement, retest the level and then come back, it even break the first fake out. So we expect the market to continue pushing to the downside. So anyway, though the market break hit our SL, because we move our SL to break even when we take our second level target of profit around here, because this is where we enter the market, and then the market started coming down all the way to here, take our first level target of profit around here, and then our second level target of profit around here. So the third level target of profit is what we are waiting for, and then the market did not come, it just go back, but we move our SL to break even as we always do. So it's just a zero risk, I would say that definitely. and then immediately if the market open, I will update you guys with the signal. I will use my technicals and see if this, let's try and put a Fibonacci. If this retracement is not a Fibonacci for this overall bullish, maybe the market will continue pushing to the upside. So we know that we are going to sell if we break it. But if we didn't, so I think it's going to respect the Fibonacci level and started pushing to the upside. All right. So as you can see, this is a Fibonacci from swing low to swing high of this overall bullish that go back for retracement. And then the market is coming back to retrace, like it's coming back. We don't know the coming back is for what. Either the market is trying to respect this Fibonacci level or this Fibonacci level and continue pushing up, or maybe the market will break this and then break this. So we're pretty sure that the market will continue pushing to the downside. So we cannot sell this market around here. So we can see the market is coming to the Fibonacci level, but we already take our first and second level target of profit, and then we don't know why the market is changing movement. So maybe it's trying to create a bullish. So that's why we don't need to sell early. We need to break all these places. If possible, if we break this, we need to still break this, because, or even we do not break this, if we break this and sell around here, so our first level target of profit will be around here, and then we must move our SL to break even, because we don't know if this place is going to retrace. You understand? So if this place is very strong, it's going to push the market up again. So all the way to the upside, it's continue pushing up. So maybe it's a buy. So we expect the market to reject around here or around here. If not, around here. If not, so we continue pushing to the downside. So I hope you are in my Telegram channel. If you are not, check the link in the description. I will put out and join. And then do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, so I will be dropping a lot of videos to you guys. All right. US oil. Wow, this shit is still going. I will just do like this on US oil. So as you can see, it's consolidating sharp, but we already got our signal, so we are in buy trade, and then the market started coming up. I even suffer some profit because this is hateful. So if you use proper risk management on this movement, you're gonna cut some. Yeah, definitely some pips there. So I make some money there, and then the market started coming down. So I didn't close. I just take one profit and then hold the remaining. And as you can see, my stop loss is below my major level. I will use proper risk management to avoid too much loss, because this one is very big. So I'm all right with this. I trade for institutional banks, as I always tell you guys. So that's why I had to be very careful. This zone, like, is not my place of play. So if it's big, I will use proper risk management. If it's small, I will still use proper risk management, because whatever you're doing, you know why you are going to risk and you know why you are going to target, right? So as you can see, the market did not hit our SL, and then it started pushing up to the upside. So we expect it to continue pushing. And then what next? GBP cards. All right. GBP cards. When this break in H4, that's when I sell. But in H1, I got my entry around here. So, but when this break, that's when I sell. But you can see the market is, I even hit my first take profit, and then the market continued to push all the way to my second take profit. But it's still going sharp, and then you can see a retracement that the market go back and retest the level, but we can see the market is coming back. So we expect the market to continue pushing all the way to our second take profit. All right. GBP USD. You can see a lot of retracement on those pairs, like almost all the financial instruments that moving bearish now, like Thursdays. Recently, last week, you can see a retracement to the upside. Maybe some fundamental, you know, I'm technical man, bro. Technical man. Technical plans. Technical indicators. All right. So GBP is moving downward and I am making some profit. I secure some profits for this overall movement, and with the market go back for retracement, but we do not, like, the market did not, go back, did not retest, like, did not break above our major level, like it did not break our fake out. That's what I would say. So, above your major level is where you're supposed to put your SL, because whenever the market break above it, so it's going to be a bullish trend, right? So it did not. So your SL is above. So, and then the market continue pushing down. So you expect the market. So that's why we don't like that's why you see always we're avoiding ourselves, like to try and draw our fake out some zones before entering this market because of those retracement. If you do not uh, identify it, sometimes the retracement will be strong and sometimes it will push the market to the upside or change the way. I hope you get this. AUD, JPY, AUD, JPY, come back. Break below, come back for the retracement. We even break the trend line, but it's not a big deal. All we can do is just like this. Yes. Still it break. Okay, if I say like this. Still it break. Not possible. I have to catch the first and the second. We always talk that, right? So the reason why you see it's not respecting the trend line around here is a deciding zone. Let me explain it to you guys. All right, it's a deciding zone. So that's why you see the market is not respecting the downtrend trend line. It's still downtrend, moving downtrend, but you can see a break and retest for bearish signal around here, and then but you can see like the market is not inside the trend line. So the reason is because of this is a minor level, and then there is a consolidation area, so it has to consolidate before continue respecting. So now once the market finish consolidating anywhere anytime and then finally started dropping down, so you can try and adjust or grow your trend line. The way it's going to be pretty clear. If you want to know how I draw my trend line, go to previous YouTube videos, like some months back. You can see where I put how to draw trend line, how to put major or minor level, like all these tools. I explain it to you guys bit by bit, the way you guys are going to understand this. All right. So AUD USD is still moving upward, like as I suggest, right? So like I have been making profit on this feed up to now. So people are bragging. They say, wow, AUD USD is in downtrend since 2013. I say, what the fuck? I know AUD USD is in downtrend because in the previous, you can see like my previous signal itself, right? It's sell, you can see. My previous signal is sell. I even sell for some profit. You can see all the way to where I make money. So, like, I know it's in downtrend, but always we know the market used to come back for retracement. it retests the previous level or respects some level for Fibonacci or whatever previous highs before continue pushing to the downside, right? So that's why we don't need to play with, like, since we have the knowledge, we can use the knowledge, we can use our technicals and fundamentals tools to get the entry by getting a buy and sell at any time you get the opportunity. I hope you understand this. So it doesn't mean because a pair is in downtrend, if you get a bullish opportunity, you cannot enter. It's just a retracement, and then you can see, you can follow the market price action. You can use the previous rejections as your take profit so that you can say, oh, maybe the market is going to respect those levels and then continue pushing down. So it's just a mindset, bro. If you don't have this mindset, don't try this. I will advise you. If you want to have the mindset, join my mentorship classes where I teach you guys. All right. Euro AUD. Euro AUD break below, come back for retracement. Like it's expecting the counter trend line. So come back, break above, come back. Like it's creating high. Like this is a head and shoulder, right? This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and then this is the head, right? So it's creating something like a rejection. This is a consolidation area, as we always know. So we don't need to do something. We need to wait for the market to break below it, as we can see. And finally, this candlestick break below, and then we enter the market go back to the major level, retest it, and then come back again. But we can see the market is trying to respect the downtrend and continue pushing after a lot of consolidation because of the major level and the trend line is around here. So it's very strong zone. So it may be a buy. Sometime it will create a buy and just break your major level. Sometimes it will continue going down. So we don't know what the market is doing. So that's why we just need to watch out and then use our technicals to cut this trade. All right. So Tesla, I have to look at Tesla. If you do not watch the last episode 4 of December Masterclass, like I share all the page that I show you guys right now in that video. So if you do not watch, you have to watch it before you watch this. But if you watch this, you need to still go back and watch that one so that you will understand like what the market is doing. All right. So as you can see, when the market finally come here, like I have been expecting the market to retest the level and break. After retesting, I expect the market to after retesting and breaking, I expect the market to retest the minor level, come back, and then break this counter trend line and then defect out before we sell. So the market did not do that. The market kept on consolidation within the fake out and then the minor level and then the trend line. So it's keep on consolidation and then finally it's break above. So you see what I'm telling you, like sometimes when the market is consolidating too much, it will finally break above and create a buying signal around there. All right. So maybe if this one is a buy, then we can see a retracement to this, to the downside, to retest the minor level and then break the fake out to continue pushing, because overall we're in uptrend already. So simple and straightforward. All right. So Amazon, we don't need to waste any time. That's why you see me just going on this sheet. I'm still long because I'm above my major level and then the overall market price action is bullish. So I'm still consolidating, but you can see I'm making some profit. Sure. Oh, stock market is quite volatile. So that's why sometimes it's somehow. All right. So welcome to the end of this video. I tell you guys, if you do not subscribe, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video, you share it to your family and friends that are interested in forex trading. All right, whoever that want to learn how to trade forex, crypto, stock, like you can check out the description. I put out my mentorship class. You can join. It's just $30. You can join and get access to the premium package. Like we got a lot. We got a lot of packages. If you come there, you're gonna see. You're gonna watch out, and then believe that consistency, like, is what's going to make you profitable in this market. All right. So if you did not watch the episode, the previous one, you have to watch it. If you watch it and then you watch this, so thank you. Like the video, comment if you have a question, and then share it to your friends. All right. Goodbye.